So Andy, we would love to hear your hook for seller SEO.
Okay.
So do you remember the 3 elements of the hook?
Give them to me again.
So
Okay, of course.
Hold on.
go ahead, Kristen.
I got to take notes. I got to take notes here. So I got to have it written down. Okay. Step 1.
Okay, so step 1 is, what do you offer?
Okay.
Step 2.
Okay. Step 2.
Yes, is how will what you offer make their life better?
All right.
And then step 3 is to showcase what their life looks like because they're using your product.
Gotcha. Okay.
So it was funny when we taught this class in San Antonio, we had a guy who his business was to pick up dog poop. So he had this business where he would go into people's backyards and clean up dog poop.
I've actually heard of that before. It's quite lucrative.
Yeah. So we actually worked with him he was kind of our example hook, and where we said, okay, who are you? So you always want to start with your name first and your company name, because a lot of people forget to use their name. And so we said, okay, who are you? What do you offer? So, I get rid of your dog poop, right? And then, I forgot what his, what was it? Oh, something with the kids being able to run around in the backyard now that, your yard is basically poo free. So it was kind of neat to see that a product like that or a service like that could actually help a customer imagine, after using their service, how their life could be better.
I think I have mine. It's not perfect, of course, but okay. So Seller SEO, we offer you tools to help you sell more on Amazon. It will save you time and increase your sales from day one. And you'll get more money and more free time doing what you love to do.
Awesome.
I like it. That was really good, Andy. I like it.
That was great.